Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up TestTube Beauty. I feel like it's been a while since I opened this on this channel on Kitty's Boxes. I guess I didn't mess up too much saying that, but anyways, this is a bi-monthly beauty subscription. So you get mostly like skincare items, but it's like a mix of beauty items. And two of the items that came outside of this tube are actually, I don't even know if they'd fall into the beauty category, but I think they do. But anyways, I will link them down below. I do pay for this one myself. And yeah, welcome back or welcome guys. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you like unboxings and subscription boxes as much as I do, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. But yeah, let's get back to TestTube Beauty. I think it's, how much is it? They used to say the price and shipping separate, but now they include it together, which I like. I think a lot of people are that way. Like we will pay more before we pay for shipping on something, even if it's less, you know, like the mentality. I think it comes out to be like $38 or something like that, and you get at least $180 in value. So let's start off with the two things that came outside of the box. I said are like not really beauty, but kind of are. Like one is a vitamin and one is toothpaste. And I got so excited because I'm almost out of my toothpaste and I only use fluoride-free toothpaste. And this is by David's, a brand I like, but I don't think I've tried this one. So this is their premium toothpaste, sensitive and whitening with nano hydroxyapatite. And the flavor, or the, I guess it's flavor, is natural peppermint. So very happy to get this. I love getting toothpaste in my box. I think I've gotten toothpaste in several boxes before. Like, I think maybe I've gotten another David's in a past test tube, at least some other subscription. And like Walmart beauty box, and who's like, we all brush our teeth, or we should, like, right? So like, I'm excited to get this. It's a good brand too. And then the other thing we got is the vitamin, and this is glutathione, and this has to do with beauty because I mean this helps everything in your body. This is made from 3 amino acids, so it's called like a tripeptide, and it's naturally made in our body, but with like stress and stuff, it could be diminished, and it helps like. Sorry, I have my pharmacist degree, so if I'm at work, I just feel a need to say this. I haven't thought about it in a while, but this is really good for like detox. Like sometimes they'll supplement this to people who were alcoholics or have liver disease. This is naturally made in the liver, but it helps the production of like all cells, and it helps to fight free radicals. So it pretty much helps you from aging faster, and just to put it quickly. And I don't think there's any contraindications to this. It's naturally made in the body, so no one should be allergic to it. I mean, like if there's other ingredients in it, so that's like one thing, but I have to say this. I'm like, before you start any vitamins or medicine, contact your doctor if you're concerned, but there's not many studies on like vitamins and stuff like that for like side effects, but this has been studied in use of like helping with the liver and also macular degeneration and a few other things in it's been studied, but the side effects profile and taking it as just a supplement for like your skin or health or whatever, anti-aging, I don't think it's been really well studied. But yeah, like not evaluated by the FDA, but I'm really excited to get this because yeah, here it says it helps protect cells that were damaged from harmful free radicals, supports a healthy liver, supports optimal cellular health, and supports a healthy immune system. So yeah, yes please, sure. I'll take this, and then oops, I almost opened the box I already opened. Where's the tube? Where did I put it? Right here. Here are all the items inside. Oh my god, so you know how Kathleen Lights has a nail business? We got one of her nail polishes, and I think it's in gold. Oh my god, yes. So I forgot to mention, they do give some information on the products, but you scan the QR code, and the theme is spring cleaning. So I think this is a variation item. I did peek at the code earlier. I didn't open the tube, and I was hoping I would get the gold. Nails are one thing I am bad with. I like neglect them. Like, you know, I don't even think about it. And I want to get better at doing my nails, and I've heard great things about her nail polish. Oh, I forgot to turn the light on again. I filmed a video right before this. I was like, I'm going to turn the light on before I get up, but I didn't. So this is like a gold shimmery color, and the name is Frog Prince. But I heard it has like a wide brush. Is that what you would call it? Yes, I've just heard great things. So I'm really excited to try this. I love it. It's like, yeah, it's like a greenish gold. I love it. I think the other option was, where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is. Oh, it's right here. I placed the nail polish right by it. Let's see if I still have it up. Sweet. Sorry, hold. Sierra Blue. My dad just asked if I had a preference in phone color for the new iPhone. I already knew. I have it as my screensaver, my like background or wallpaper. Wow, I'm really excited. Okay, we're not even gonna look at this, but there's one other shade you could have gotten. Will someone comment down below? I'm so excited to go talk to my dad about my new iPhone, which I earned a long time ago. If you guys remember, I was like in a challenge. But I wasn't gonna like bug them about it. So where's my whatever price phone? But anyways, Luxie 530 flat top kabuki. I have this, I believe. I rarely use brushes for my face products. I just like use like tint and moisturizer usually and like put it on my skin. And then I do use like all cream products, so maybe I'll use this. I have to see if I still have it in my collection because I decluttered a lot of brushes, but I love Luxie brushes, and I think that's really cool they included it in here. So kabuki brushes like this are great for foundation, but you can use it for, you know, your bronzer, blush, whatever. You can use a brush for anything you want to, honestly. I was just saying how I want more facial mist, hydrating mist toner. I forgot this was in here. So this is by Sukin. So you can use it as a toner in your skincare routine, and also to set your makeup and to refresh your skin throughout the day. So it can be used under or over skincare and makeup. Awesome. And then, oh, this I'm excited about. This is like $78 right here. This is by Peter Thomas Roth. This is wrinkle resistant eye cream. It's made with 21 peptides and neuropeptides, 2 gamma proteins, these trademark things they have. For crow's feet, fine lines, deep wrinkles, darkness, and puffiness. I'm noticing more fine lines, and I always deal with puffiness. It's just like part of my genetics I've come to grips with, but I'm really excited to try a really good eye cream like this. The older I get, the more I feel that way. But I'm fine with aging. It's cool. Oh, there's just the top of that. And then last but not least, oh, I've tried something from this brand or something similar before. So this is On Me Patch It, so energy support patch. I've tried one of theirs for sleep, unless it was a different company, but you put this patch on and for like 24 hours or however long you wear it, you get like the vitamins that are in it. So the Power Up patch provides sustainable energy with a boost of antioxidants from ginseng and guarana. So yeah, there's ginseng, kola nut, guarana, vitamin B12. So it's all vitamins, and they recommend this for people who get like jittery with caffeine. This will be like for as long as you wear it. This is up to 12 hours. And then you just like put it on your wrist. You can't even see it. Like I said, I tried one that was for overnight, like had melatonin in it, and I think it works well. And it's just vitamins, so cool. Like if you have like allergies to, oh, look at, I'm being all dorky, allergies like adhesives, I think that would be the only thing that would really stop you. But I'm all about taking B12, and ginseng's good too. I don't know much about kola nut or guarana, I think is in a lot of things. But anyways, I think this is cool to be in there. So see how it's different? It's like overall, like there's some vitamins and stuff. I'm cool with that because I've been really into like health lately too. We got skincare, like really nice brands too. Some nice toothpaste. They're all eco-friendly, I think, too, these brands. And then we got some nail polish from Life Lacquer. I don't think I've ever seen her brand featured in any subscription box. And a Luxie brush, one of the best brushes. I like this in Sigma brushes. I haven't gotten Sigma in a long time. The Luxie is coming in a lot of subscription boxes, and these are great. I've had them forever, no issues, like years of constant use of the same ones, and they're all good. But that's what I have for you guys. I hope you guys are well. Let me know what you think of the box. And sorry if I rushed this at the end to like go talk to my dad about my iPhone, but I'm super excited. I'm so excited. Oh, I see like this cool, there's an airport nearby, and a lot of like rich people live in Florida now. Well, I mean like everywhere in the world there are some, but like little planes fly out of, and I see one right now. I've never been in one of those little planes, have you? And wow, hi, like ADD, but I'm just having a great day. I hope you guys are too. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. I hope you're safe and healthy. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.